Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install GENSHIN IMPACT on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open up any web browser. In the search bar, type in GENSHIN IMPACT and hit enter. From the search results, make sure to open this official website. Once you're on the homepage, here, you just need to find this download button and click on it. This will start downloading the GENSHIN IMPACT launcher, which is required to install the game. After the download is complete, open the installer file. You'll see the setup window. Here, accept the terms and conditions. You can also choose a custom installation location for the launcher, or simply click on Quick Installation to begin. The launcher will install very quickly. Once it's done, go ahead and click Finish and Launch. Now inside the launcher, you'll see the option to Get Game. Click on it, and you can choose where you want to install the full game files. Keep in mind, GENSHIN IMPACT is a large game, so make sure you have this storage space available. Next, click on Start Installation, and the game will begin downloading. The download time will depend on your internet speed, so it might take some time. Once the installation is complete, you can simply click on Launch and start playing GENSHIN IMPACT on your PC. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed GENSHIN IMPACT on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.